Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in today. So today I want to do a quick little review of my Ryobi weed whacker I picked up earlier this summer. I know it's late, but with all the rain and everything, I haven't had time to do it. This is the Ryobi model P-20100 weed whacker, or weed eater, whatever you want to call it. I really like this weed whacker. It's good for tall people like me. I'm 6'5". Cool thing about it is it falls off the truck. You can use string like this. Otherwise, it comes with these cool, like hard plastic. I don't even know what they're called. It's for a thicker brush. So this is the new one. Comes in a 2-pack for 17 bucks. This is the one I've been using all summer. I mean, I've been hitting fences with this, 1-inch thick branches and stuff. So it's a little beat up, as you can see. Old, new. So about half of it's gone on that side, and about a quarter of it is gone on this side. Now this one does have a string dispensing mechanism. So it's either this or this. I think you hold this down every time you let go of this, it shoots out more string, a 1/4 inch at a time. So you can't just hit the trigger. You have to hit the safety, which is also the feed to the string feed, and then there you go. I have been using the high capacity batteries. As you can see, this is a generic P-108. I got this bad boy off of Amazon for 27 bucks. And I want to say 45-minute runtime. It's pretty good. And then with the little ones, the P-105s, I want to say it's 15-20. Correction, it comes with the, this is a 2 amp hour one. Let's see, what the heck number is this one? P90. So it comes with this and a charger. And the weed whacker, I think, was on sale at Home Depot this spring, was $79.99 or $69.99. It's not bad. So with this one, it runs about 20 minutes. I can do the whole yard with it, at least the front. This one, I can do the whole front and back, and then go around the edges really well and just hack down all the bushes and whatnot. Handle is adjustable, up and down. It's a nice guard. Comes with a little metal string cutter, which I did sharpen. Makes it a lot easier. And it's a quick release also, so you can just hit these 2 tabs here and it pops right off. And then you can just pop this right on. Alright, I'm going to cut the side grass. It's really thick. And of course the runtime varies by how you pull the trigger. You can go slow, medium, high, or turbo. It's nice because it's fully adjustable. It's not just low, high. You can see in the bottom, these are the gears that each time you pull the trigger, it lets out a 1/4 inch of string. And it says right on here, you know, wind clockwise. Whatever. Before I do that, let's show you the gator teeth. Same thing, right where this cover goes. Boom, there you go. Pretty easy. These are really slick for the thick brush. Comes off, and they stay on fairly well. I have had them fly off once or twice just because I was hitting some thick brush. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. This was my quick little review of the Ryobi Weed Eater P-20100. A lot of zeros in there. Home Depot, I think it was 69 bucks. Comes with the 2 milliamp battery, not this one. This is the heavy duty one. This is the 4 milliamp. And charger. 70 bucks. Looks great. Very ergonomic. Fits me well. I'm 6'5". You know, comes up to mid chest. I think it's 5.5 feet long. So if you have any questions, shoot me a question down in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Stick around because I'm going to have the 100 subscriber giveaway coming up here real soon now that we're up to 106 subscribers. So thank you everyone for subscribing. See you.